Revive your retro tech. Viagkiki RCA to HDMI Converter. Plug and play your childhood back to life. Bring your old tech to life. The Viagkiki RCA to HDMI Converter is the ultimate tool to reconnect your classic gaming consoles, VHS tapes, and DVDs to modern HDTVs or monitors. With the ability to convert analog composite signals to crisp 1080p HDMI output, this converter ensures your nostalgic devices can shine on today's high-definition screens. No need to sacrifice those retro memories. Just plug in and watch them come to life in vibrant detail. Easy plug-and-play convenience. Forget about complicated setups and driver installations. With the Viagkiki RCA to HDMI adapter, you can enjoy your old devices on your HDTV in minutes. Simply plug it in, connect to your 5-volt power source, and you're ready to go. No extra cables or software needed. It's an effortless, cost-effective way to bring your vintage tech into the future without the usual hassle. Comprehensive compatibility. This converter works with a wide range of devices including PS1, PS2, PS3, N64, Xbox, VHS, VCR, and Blu-ray players. Whether you're reliving the glory days of PlayStation or rewatching home videos, the Viagkiki adapter supports all NTSC and PAL video formats, ensuring that whatever device you're using, the output is always crisp and clear. It's a one-size-fits-all solution for anyone with legacy gear. Superior quality and durability. Built with high-quality ABS material, the Viagkiki RCA to HDMI converter is designed for longevity and performance. Unlike other flimsy adapters, this product is sturdy, wear-resistant, and engineered for long-term use. The included 60 cm RCA and 100 cm HDMI cables are durable and ensure smooth connections, saving you the need to purchase additional accessories. With an 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer support, you can trust in its reliability. Affordable and tech-tested. This RCA to HDMI converter is the perfect blend of affordability and quality. Whether you're looking to connect your old-school consoles or revive family VHS collections, the converter delivers top-notch performance without breaking the bank. Customers rave about its ease of use, flawless functionality, and the fact that it includes all the necessary cables, making it a perfect value buy. Get the most out of your classic devices without spending a fortune on pricey upgrades.